I have another play for you guys. Okay, listen, Fury plays low-key have been going off, and there are some projects, guys, that are running into the millions of dollars. We covered a play a couple weeks ago, sorry, that was at $600,000 market cap, and it ran up to over $3 million market cap. Now, listen, guys, I have a project, Fury base, that is sitting at $600,000 market cap yet again. And I think you do not want to miss out on this project. Listen, if you guys are new around here, my name is Ro. I talk about crypto every single day. I try to help you guys find the next 10, 20, 50, or even 100x gem in the market. And we have done so already. The craziest call here on this channel was a Fury play that did a 1200x return. So if you guys appreciate the type of content, subscribe, hit the bell, and like this video so YouTube pushing it out to more people on the algorithm. Now, I do want to emphasize by saying, family, I am still a little bit sick, so please cut me some grace here. Also, listen, we hit 18,000 subscribers, so thank you very much. And yeah, let's get into today's video. So, first things first, fear and greed index is not looking too pretty. We're sitting at extreme fear, and you guys know this about me. Buy the fear, spam that green button when you see fear territory, because your flesh, your emotions are going to be telling you the exact opposite. The fear and greed index is cooked right now. We are at 23, which is extreme fear. And people, what they usually do when they see extreme fear is they start panicking. They start running for the streets. They start selling their bags. They start rotating their bags over into something else. If you are somebody who's rotating your crypto bags into physical gold, I really don't know what to tell you. If you guys are someone that is lining up to buy gold at all-time highs, family, you need some help, okay? Just keep that in mind. Now, the project that we are taking a look at is called Blocky Boy, Fury's Blocky Boy from Cortex Vortex. Now, this is another Cortex Vortex play, which I believe is his newest comic book that came out. Born from a pixelated glitch in the blockchain, Blocky Boy wasn't smooth, shiny, or aerodynamic. He was, well, blocky. While other cons flexed while other coins flex utility and promise real-world use cases, Blocky Boy just vibed. He stacked himself over and over until he became an unstoppable tower of pure meme energy. Rumor has it he once bricked an entire rug pull with nothing but his squared-off fist. Another time, he blocked FUD so hard that a whale had to rage quit. That is what Blocky Boy is from. This guy kind of reminds me of like Tetris almost. You know, like the game where you kind of have to like stack things on top of each other because just like pixelated blocks. Or like when you were younger, I don't know, growing up in high school, we used to have like blocks or like cubes that we could like build stuff out of. So it kind of reminds me of that, honestly. Network, he's on the Ethereum network, guys. 0% buy sell taxes, very low supply, surprisingly, right? 420,690,000, and the liquidity is burnt for this project. If you guys do want to go ahead and buy it, I will leave a contract address link down below for you guys. And honestly, family, this is a project that we also called over in our private Discord, and a lot of the people on there did get in a little bit earlier. So I want you guys to know, if you are looking for my buy and sell calls, if you want to be a part of a community where you get to know exactly what crypto projects that I am getting into, what projects I'm getting out of, make sure you guys join the Memecoin Mastery. Now, why is this important? Guys, your network is your net worth. You guys hear this all the time. It's cliche, but that's the reality of it. If you were in the right groups and you were buying when people told you to buy, you and you were clicking the green button when people that you trusted and looked up to were buying, you would have made hundreds, if not thousands of dollars in this crypto space. There's people who just by being in the right place have made millions of dollars, guys. Your community in crypto is literally everything. So make sure you guys do not take that for granted. There is a link down below for you guys to join the Memecoin Mastery. Not only do you get my buy and sell alerts, but you are adding yourself to a community of investors who are all chasing the same exact goal. They're after the exact same thing that you guys are. So hey, listen, join up. Do not be scared to join, okay? Now, in terms of market cap right now, this is a project that just wicked off $1 million market cap. You can see here when we got there, we were sold off just a little bit. Right now, liquidity is at $100,000, guys. You can see the thing is actually going kind of crazy here. $761,000 market cap started in ascend yet again. And now again, guys, as a crypto market kind of has that bounce towards the top again, we're bouncing upwards. I do think, guys, that overall we are going to be okay. In the short term, yes, Bitcoin, Ethereum may go down a little bit more, but these projects right now, they are sitting on dips. These Fury plays right now, they aren't really going with the overall market. They're kind of doing their own thing because, I mean, look what happened on October 16th, right? This is when the market was more or less down. This thing had a crazy, crazy pump. all the way from 140K to 450 a 450% gain to $634,000 market cap. That is a 5.5x. And again, this is still not in the millions of dollars of market cap yet. There was a project that we talked about, I think it was called Disco. We talked about a $600,000 market cap on our YouTube. It rallied to over 3 million, and that's a cheeky 5x. So this project could still continue to run and print you guys a nice return. Obviously, fellas, not financial advice. Please DYOR, do your own research. One thing I will always say is you want to make sure you guys are following them over on X. You want to stay up to date with the latest information about the project, guys. So that you could, get relevant information from them. And there's a cool part over here. Chad, community member, wrote his thesis. King of Memes has confirmed it. Thesis confirmed, main character confirmed, certified sender confirmed. 10 million is just a pit stop for Blocky Boy. You can see here, this is what I'm talking about. This thesis that was written went on to go and get a follow from Matt Furie, which I think is super cool, which kind of confirms that that Blocky Boy is in fact a relevant character in the Cortex Vortex series. So again, guys, the fact that Matt Furie himself is confirming it, I think that's pretty cool. You can see our main character from Cortex Vortex, born from a pixelated glitch in the blockchain. Blocky Boy wasn't smooth, shiny, or aerodynamic. He was blocky. A lot of people covering it over on X. I did see a lot of influencers as well talking about this. If you just go over to their page here, you can see guys, Crypto Zeus talking about it. You got Crypto Galaxy talking about it. You got Crypto Banter, who is making a video. I don't know if this project was in it, but again, a lot of people over on X, over on YouTube, covering this project, which again, you absolutely love to see. And it doesn't end there, right? We got a Beconomy listing. One thing I love is that even these small projects, guys, when the market is moving sideways, when the market isn't really doing the best, they're still coming out with announcements. They're still coming out with collaborations. They're still coming out with partnerships, getting these listings secured. And that is what you love to see. And this market is still not over yet, family, okay? Why I believe in Blocky Boy could hit 2 million in the future. It fits right into the emoji plus Matt Furie meta, the only narrative that actually revived ETH during heavy FUD. The art is clearly above average and it's officially tied to Matt Furie via the Heads NFT collection. Blocky Boy isn't a side character. It's featured prominently across multiple pages in the Cortex Vortex. The team isn't overpromising. They got early resources and strong foundation to scale when needed. The project hasn't been hyped or FOMO'd yet. It's truly early alpha. A 2 to 3x from here would still be a calm start to something much bigger. And you all know what I think about Matt Furie plays, guys. The earliest one that we covered was JYAI, $20,000 market cap, ran up to over 20 million. Okay, so considering that, I still think you guys are a little bit early. Now, do with that as you will, guys. Please DYOR. Do your own research, do your own due diligence, because I'm not a financial advisor. I'm only here to entertain and educate you guys. And if that has worked, then hey, amazing. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, family. I hope you have a beautiful day. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Take care, family, and peace out.